welcome to BINISAYA 2022, edition number 12, in partnership with the Film Development Council of the Philippines, Ramon Aboites Foundation Inc., and Casa Gordo Museum. First of all, we would like to thank all the filmmakers who entrusted their films to the festival. Thank you to the audience for being here tonight to show us a glimpse of the 10 hours worth of films to binge watch this week. Please welcome Jesus Michu.
Karon na nagkaila-ila na ka sa kong mga amigo, hindi mo kong ipaila-ila sa imo.
bunga tawali.
Hello, kumusta? Ako si Don Eblahan, ang director ng pelikulang The Headhunter's Daughter, and also the director of the short film Hilom, which won the Horizon's Best Film for last year's BINISAYA. And gratefully, kasali ulit tayo in one of my favorite regional festivals in the Philippines. Dahil din sa BINISAYA ay nagkaroon din ng magandang platform yung previous short film ko na Hilom. At dahil na rin sa award na yon is mas naka-reach out din tayo sa iba't ibang mga audiences, especially in regional areas in the Philippines, na otherwise na hindi mararating ng pelikula namin noon. And I'm really happy also this year na the same thing will happen para sa pinaka-recent ko na pelikulang The Headhunter's Daughter, which was shot during the pandemic, most specifically sa La Trinidad, which is, alam nyo naman, nung pandemya sa Pilipinas, mahirap yung mag-travel sa iba't ibang mga syudad, kahit na magkalapit lang. So that really made our filmmaking process a bit harder. Sourcing actors, pati na rin yung crew namin. Isa sa mga pinaka-solution namin is yung just go low budget and, you know, kami-kami lang, basically. So parang mga magtutropa lang na nag-film. Sourcing non-actors and sourcing non-film people as well. Kahit wala kaming masyadong budget, kahit may bagyo, even though everything was hard because of the pandemic, at least nakagawa pa rin kami ng film. And di rin namin akalain na na-accept din kami sa Sundance and all these other festivals na napuntahan na rin ng pelikula namin. And parte nung kung bakit kami sobrang proud sa kung ano mang narating ng pelikula is dahil nga rin sa the fact na wala kami masyadong resources, wala kami masyadong tao. Same constraints na meron din lahat ng mga regional filmmakers sa Pilipinas, sa mga filmmakers na hindi nakatira sa sentro, lalo na sa mga lugar na medyo mas mahirap pa rin maabot. Lahat tayo ay parang may hinaharap na same problem about resources and support. Sobrang importante lang para sa akin and for my crew to share our experience. Grabe, kahit sobrang hirap nung production is parang pwede pa rin. Yes, I just wanted to share a bit of our story and to introduce our film, The Headhunter's Daughter. To me, it's important to make a film dito sa lugar namin kasi dito ako lumaki. Although Ifugao Bisayan yung ethnicity ko, I wanted to make a film on both sides of my ancestry bago ako mag-move on into, I guess, making feature films. So yes, maraming salamat sa pag-imbita ng aming pelikula sa BINISAYA this year. And thank you for inviting me to speak about our project and our process. At sana ay makatulong din ito sa ibang mga filmmakers na kasali ng festival na to or interested na manood ng festival na ito. Yes, gusto ko lang i-share na we're all in the same boat in this sa ganitong klaseng proseso. Talagang mahirap gumawa ng pelikula, lalo na't walang resources, pero kayang-kaya pa rin matuwid. So yes, thank you for listening and please enjoy our film and everyone's films in this festival, and looking forward for it. Thank you.
BINISAYA 2022 is now officially open. You can access all the films on our Vimeo channel. You can also access the films with GCash. We will reply with your code that you can use on Vimeo. Good luck to all the films. Enjoy BINISAYA and Jill.